Oh, today is Tuesday, November 5th, 2024. Tomorrow I go to Beijing, then to Xi'an in the late night and then I will stay there for 5 nights and 6 days. My train schedule will be quite freaky tomorrow because I land at the Beijing International Airport in the afternoon, and I have to get to Beijing West Railway Station to get a ride on a bullet train to Xi'an. So let's find out a little bit about Beijing West Railway Station, so that the movement, the travel would be quite spot on and without any hitch. Beijing West Railway Station. Photo via tuchong.com. Beijing West Railway Station, Beijing Xi站, is located at the scenic Lotus Pond in Fengtai district of Beijing. It connects 5 railway lines, namely Beijing-Guangzhou Railway, Beijing-Kowloon Railway, Beijing-Qin Railway, Beijing-Shan Railway, and Fengtai-Shacheng Railway. It is the starting and finishing station of Beijing-Guangzhou Railway, Beijing-Kowloon Railway, and Beijing-Guangzhou High-Speed Railway. Really? What's the difference? Beijing-Guangzhou Railway, Beijing-Kowloon Railway, and Beijing-Guangzhou High-Speed Railway. Beijing West Railway Station covers an area of 510,000 square meters with a building area of 300,000 square meters for direct service to passengers, a width of 550 meters from east to west. Wow. And a maximum depth of 280 meters from north to south. Beijing West Railway Station mainly runs the general speed and high-speed railway passenger trains from Beijing to Guangzhou, Beijing to Kowloon, Beijing to Baoji, and Longhai to 170 cities in the south and the east of China, including Sanya, Guangzhou, Kowloon, Kunming, Urumqi, and Chengdu. Okay, so I go to Xi'an, but I think the final destination of my passenger train will be Chengdu, right? Zhang Tianyu Memorial. So this was a rather short article. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.